We're on the rails again on board Amtrak Southwest Chief on the way to Albuquerque, New Mexico. And there's a lot of ground to cover on this leg of the trip.
Ladies and gentlemen, if I could have your attention, please. We are now crossing over the lovely Mississippi River at this present time.
During our train and road trip, we've come in contact with the great Mississippi at least 3 times. As night falls, we are headed towards Kansas City for a brief stop. Saying goodbye to my 2 favorite train porters. After a long and exciting day, I just had to submit to the lullaby of the rails. Taking in vistas of the Great Plains as we sat for an early breakfast.
Hey Toto, this must be Kansas.
I spotted 4 Boy Scouts sitting in the corner table, figured I'd go say hi.
On my honor, my best to do my duty, to guard my country, to obey the scout law, to help other people at all times, to keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight.
A scout is trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent.
There you go.
I wanted to make sure they were bona fide. Then I threw them a zinger.
You guys pair up with the Girl Scouts at camp?
I'm pretty sure that's illegal.
I think so.
Lady J enjoying her crossword puzzle as we approach our next stop. And I got off the train to stretch my legs to take in some open air and realized we're now in Colorado. Hanging with the porter to listen to some jokes.
Un hombre que fue para la farmacia y le grita el doctor, oye, doctor, necesito un condón. The man keeps screaming, oye, doctor, necesito un condón. Y ahí viene el doctor y le dice, hey, guache la boca, hombre. No mires que estoy con una mujer. Oh, despensa. The guy's thinking. Oye, doctor, necesito un condón. The doctor comes up. Oye, guache la boca, hombre. Estoy con una mujer ahorita. Después dame 2.
Funny guy and a new friend.